This is Jamie with BarI. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use an inventory log or an invoice log to track when you place orders, when those orders are received, and then when they're uploaded to BarI. And the aim here, of course, is to avoid having missing invoices. I don't think most of our clients need to do this every week, but if you are having repeated problems with managers not uploading invoices consistently, it means you're going to be getting additional charges, which we do not want to be charging. We just prefer to have everything there. And so this is a method that we might implement and require managers to do that aren't quite getting this right for a period after we've had problems. And then obviously if they do it consistently, perhaps at some point you can stop doing this. So the idea is pretty simple, which is each time you make an order, I suggest doing this on paper and pen, some sort of logbook. But basically every time you place an order, you just note the date, who it was ordered from, and something like the number of items ordered. And then you could put an extra column here marking when it was received, but most importantly, just log when it's uploaded to BarI. The advantage of putting it down on a piece of paper like this is that, week to week, you should have a set number of invoices. Most distributors or most bars will have, a list of maybe 4 to 10 distributors they use, and they'll typically order from those distributors once a week. And so, you might even put delineation here after each week. But, if you typically have 4 distributors and you order from them once a week, you should have 4 lines in here, and then it can track. So if you're on, a 2-week cycle and you've got 4 a week, obviously we're looking to see 8. You might even note, in here, if, on a particular date, you could put 8/next week, whatever, you put, Southern, and then just put none. If you don't have to make a Southern delivery or order because you've got sufficient quantity. But it just means it's an easy, simple way to track. Quick reminder as well that we are a preferred partner of Fintech. If you're interested in avoiding having to deal with paper invoices entirely, you can use BarI's preferred partnership discount, which means that for the cost of $39, which I think is about a 20% discount on the regular fees, we get access to all of your invoices on the Fintech portal. So we can download a file which has all the line-by-line details and we upload it into our system. Currently, we do not have any charges if you do this manually, but in the future we do anticipate charging additionally for manually uploaded paper invoices because it requires us to enter them line by line rather than automatically extracting them. The other benefit with Fintech is that the invoices are paid automatically, so you avoid on the client side, you avoid the time and cost of having a bookkeeper or administrative person having to deal with lots of pieces of paper, which means they can focus on higher value things. As always, thank you for your business, and if there's any other videos you'd like to see or instructions, please give us a shout. We'll be happy to make a video for you. Thanks so much.